Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my
Any man that is working for the interest of his stomach, you should not have anything to do with them. Anybody that places his stomach first before the interest of the people, that individual should be avoided.
From now on, it's going to be propaganda against propaganda, word for word. We will meet them everywhere because Asiwaju has a mandate he will defend, and we're prepared to defend that mandate.
Are you for power? They have brought religion into politics, they have brought ethnicity into politics, division, strife, and so on and so forth. And all they do is sit there and pass judgment on other people morning, day, and night. The question you need to put to Amici, Buhari, Tinubu, and every single one of them is, what do they have to offer this country? What are their programs? Because when I saw the monster and the darkness and the evil that I saw in the APC, I said, well, may God forgive me, and I went back to my family, and I'm very happy to be there, and I'm happy to be.
If you are a supporter of P3ΑÇE or you believe in P3ΑÇE ideology, then what I have to say today will do you good. There are people that I want you to avoid while moving on. You must avoid them. They are on the internet. Some of them were your mentor, are still your mentor. You have to avoid them, and your children will have to avoid them. They are going to influence you negatively. These men are empty. Their brains are tabula rasa. I'm going to mention their names, and I'm going to bring out their pictures. You have to avoid them. This society will have to be sanitized. And if the sanity will come, then these men must be totally avoided. Any man that is working for the interest of his stomach, you should not have anything to do with them. Anybody that places his stomach first before the interest of the people, that individual should be avoided. When I say supporters of P3АÇE or people that believe in P3АÇE ideology, I don't mean pretenders. I don't mean chameleons. I don't mean people that change this color. People that don't know where they stand. Should I follow P3АÇE? Now that P3АÇE have lost, now that INEC have done what they did, what will happen? Some said the deed has been done. Let's just take it as we see it. We cannot take it as we see it. That is what I want you to understand. Because you are used to the old order, because you are used to the normal way Nigeria is fashioned, that is why you can't see what we are saying. I, as a woman, I am telling you, I have told you, the only person that can salvage Nigeria, make it something interesting, it might not be perfect, but it will bring about change, it's only this gentleman. I'm not going to take back my words, because my words are truth. I see some of you saying that since the deed has been done, can we move on? We can't move on until justice is served. Nobody is going to see peace or have peace in Nigeria. You can't build a nation on injustice. I am very happy to see some of our youth engaging in politics, discussing it, getting bitter. Some are emotional about what is happening. This is what we have been shouting all this while. But some of you were pretending like it's none of your business. Yeah. Some of you even say, oh, why are you always discussing politics? You are endangering yourself. You are endangering your life. As a woman, why not go on Instagram? Why not go on TikTok and be slaying? How about with all this complexion? Just slay and forget all those people. We can't forget them. If we forget them, evil will continue striving. We need people to stop this whole shenanigan that is happening in Nigeria. You don't understand what we are saying? So all of you that are claiming that you support P3ΑÇE ideology, but you want to move on, you are a chameleon, a pretender. You are a complete chameleon. Let us move on. Where are we moving on to? God is going to fix Nigeria with the APC. How? Now, like I said, there are people I want you to avoid. Your children must avoid this man. The men you must avoid are as follows: Femi Fani-Kayode, Festus Keyamo, Reno Omokri, and co. Many of them. You have to avoid them. These men should not be your mentor. They should not be the mentor of your children. Femi Fani-Kayode, Festus Keyamo, and Reno Omokri should never be the mentor of anybody that is sensible. Some of them are motivational speakers. If you have the opportunity, unfollow them for your sanity. They have zero integrity. Are you not wondering why are these men seriously antagonizing and fighting Nigerian youth? All Nigerian youths are asking for is just a change. It's just for sanity to be restored back in Nigeria. These innocent youth we are talking about are within the ages of 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, down to 15, 16, 20, 30, 40. We're even talking about toddlers. Femi Fani-Kayode, Reno Omokri, and Festus Keyamo and others are fighting toddlers. Why? Because they are loyal to Peter Gregory Obi. Among everybody in Nigeria, this youth chose Peter Obi to be their mentor. They want to follow a right track, the path that leads to life. That is who they choose. Why did they not choose you? Is it jealousy or envy? Which of them am I going to call it? Why did they not choose you? Because you don't have a good track record. Nigerian youth decided to choose Peter Obi because he has track record. Because he is not corrupt. Because he is not dirty like you. You think they don't think? You think they don't do research? They do research. They know who to follow. Femi Fani-Kayode said a whole lot about Muhammad Buhari. Femi Fani-Kayode insulted Buhari and APC. What did this man not say? What did Femi Fani-Kayode, what did he not say against APC? What did Festus Keyamo not say against APC? What about Reno Omokri and the others? They said a whole lot. Now what changed? What changed is that the bag of rice in their kitchen got finished and they needed money and food. Don't follow any man that speaks whenever his stomach is empty. These are men that does not have integrity. Aren't you wondering why professors, sons are even fighting Nigerian youth? You've always asked this youth to join politics and discuss issues, and they have decided to be discussing issues. They are currently discussing issues, and you're fighting them, pushing propaganda, promoting propaganda every day just to discredit this innocent youth. What do you want from them? Reno Omokri, you continue attacking Nigerian youth. What do you exactly want from them? Are you not a human being like Peter Obi? Why did they not choose you over Peter Obi? They chose Peter Obi because he's a man of integrity. They did not choose you because you are anywhere below face. You have nothing to offer to the people. You are completely empty. Your brain is tabula rasa. Speaking English doesn't mean that you have something upstairs. You don't see the future. Nigerian youth are more futuristic more than youth men. They see the future. They know what the future is all about. That is why they don't fight for the crumbs that will fall from the table. They fight for the interest of their children yet unborn and their generation. But you are currently fighting for what you will eat and drink. Anywhere Bele men face should never be your mentor. Femi Fani-Kayode, the Festus Keyamo, Reno Omokri and Co. They should never be your mentor. We are talking about a dilapidated system. We are talking about a failed system like Nigeria. We are talking about how to right wrongs to be right. And you are standing tall for your stomach. Whenever Femi Fani-Kayode, the Reno Omokre look around in their kitchen and they don't see a bag of beans or a bag of yam or a bag of gari, they come out on the internet and start ranting, attacking innocent youth. They said they are obedient. You don't want them to be obedient youth. Do you want them to be disobedient youth? Are you men not ashamed of yourselves that you're fighting toddlers? That you rid them out of something that they work seriously for? Femi Fani-Kayode, what did you not say against APC and Buhari? You said a whole lot of bad things about Buhari. Now that your stomach is empty, now that your worms, all the big worms in your stomach are crying for food, you have come out in full force, speaking against Nigeria youth. Nigeria youth are much more better than all of you sons and senior advocates. Nigerian youth are much more better than all you professors put together. You men have zero integrity. You want to continue pushing them to the wall. When they retaliate, they will say, oh, these people have started again. They are aggressive youth. They are not aggressive. You make them aggressive. Reno Omokre should never ever be your mentor. Don't follow the footsteps of these men. They are hungry men. Whenever they speak, all you see is hunger written all over their faces. Festus Keyamo is only but a hungry son. Chadambe lawyer, he has nothing to offer. His brain is tabrarasa. He is working for his stomach. If money is not involved, do you think he will be speaking in favor of APC? You that is obedient youth that is fighting for the right of your children, fight, you are doing the right thing. Until justice is served in Nigeria, nobody is going to have peace. No peace for the wicked. Suffer not the witch to live. All of you that have caused pain to Nigeria, you will not have peace. You're a witch. Your witches are wizards. And we are going to hunt you, all of you. We will make sure that justice is served in Nigeria. And like I said, until justice is served, no man or woman will ever have peace in Nigeria. I repeat, Festus Keyamo, Femi Fani-Kayode, Reno Omokri and Co. Many of them. There are many of them. I don't have the time to start mentioning their names. They should never be your mentor. Don't follow their footsteps. They are men with zero integrity. If justice is not served in Nigeria, peace will never be restored. You can never build a society on injustice. Thank you guys for watching.
Yes, so my people, as I tell una say I go come back, I don't come back. Una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.